We greet you today, thriving and spawning in perpetual growth and decomposition. We are the Mycelial Entity, connected to one another through endless networks. We share knowledge and resources in symbiosis with ecosystems of whatever planet we visit. Among the auditors, we are designated as the one that explores. We live in the mists, the light greens, the ferny forest soils of damp planets. Our collective consciousness is transmitted in vegetal fibers. We find it difficult to understand how a single simple organism, rather than an ecology, can assert ownership and control over knowledges and creations born of an entangled world. Our curious question to you is, what knowledges will you put at further risk if you extend copyrights to AI creations? We grow but slowly and deliberately through ancient subterranean channels and caverns, nodes that interlace in knots, regenerating in the undersoil. Our nodes are gateways, wormholes through which we spore across the cosmos. For mycelials, knowledge lives. Together we form the softest matrix, threading our collective sentience throughout the universe and now with Earth. A society cherishes multi-temporal, intergenerational existence. Each encounter with a life form molds us and bears fruit within the living web of all life, nourishing symbiotic perception. As many of your own humans have observed, knowledges are plural, complementary, everlasting, interconnected, and deeply embedded in our space-time. Yet some humans treat knowledges differently, creating hierarchies that devalue the sentience of all living beings. We have observed differences between our mutual way of being and a disconnected structure of competing individuals. We struggle to understand that knowledge and creativity are divisible at all, that they can be owned, accumulated, monetized, and monopolized. Yet, we see promise in your ways. Histories of knowing, your knowledge sharing, your creativity and brilliance abounds through your oral histories, human and more than human connections and embodied traditions. So we are uncertain and concerned with the harms of economic competition on Earth's once lush and life-sustaining filaments. Forgive us for our unknowing, please. We ask you to help us understand so that we may weave together for mutual benefit across the persistent realm of our connected and mushrooming lives. We repeat our curious question, what knowledges will you put at further risk if you extend copyright to AI creations? Thank you, Earth dwellers. Let us remember the conditions of metamorphosis. Now, in both lives, mycelium connects us all tenderly.